In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A22, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So at first you need to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now open general management. Here you will notice date and time, so smoothly tap on it. And as you can see, you can either use automatic date and time, so it will be set up automatically without your concern. And if you don't want to do it, just unmark the switcher, and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. So just by tapping on set date and time, you can smoothly change it. So from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also change the time zone, so just tap on select time zone, and at first just pick the region, and then time zone if available. And also you can change the format of your clock, so you can use the default one, which is 24-hour format clock, or you can turn it off and use 12-hour format clock. And this is it. This is how you can change the date and time in your Samsung. Obviously, to go back to default setup, just unmark those switchers, actually mark them, and from now on everything will be set up automatically again. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can manage date and time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.